Alright, hold on. We have eyes on Mel, so they just went to school. Into the fucking giant.
We go inside?
Hey guys, come on here. All four of you. Come on. Detain him.
What?
You're being detained.
What?
Detain him.
What I'm getting detained for?
Don't.
What I'm getting detained for?
Ray, stop. Hey!
Route 2 right now. Eastbound.
Why are you running?
Cardiac project.
I lost the pair here.
He's on the other side of the shoulder.
Nice shot, no tape.
East of 47 Joy Clinton.
Go.
To the time of that.
Alright, we're gonna be pulling up on him on the shortway. Right sweatpants. Red stripe. Black and red. Hoodie. I can get him.
Ready?
Yep.
This door don't open, dude.
Go.
Stop right there! Put your hands up! Put your hands up right now! Put your hands up! Hands up! Turn around! Put your hands up!
Hands up.
Hands up!
Don't reach for it. Don't reach for it.
All
right.
I got him out.
There we go, one firearm. You got cuffs?
Hey, we're checking out the tank 15.
Shoreway, West 25.
Yeah.
They work. How many still going? Any?
Hang on.
Three still going.
I got him.
Come on.
We'll get it. Come on. We'll get
You
it.
were detained behind 4701. How much down to 14?
Huh?
He has 2 detained, 15 has 1.
Stowe, go get the car.
Got a gun on him radio.
Party 15.
Stowe, get the car, man.
Okay, so 3 total, like 4 1.
Okay, 3 still going.
The other one's going to
I
school.
copy.
4 total. Someone else has 1.
Hey, go over.
Got 1 more going. Anybody with those cars?
8132.
I'm with a couple
guys here.
on the shoreway.
Thank you.
What's your call? 8182?
132.
Out of 11. I'm with 8182.
Half the member of Barney 15 as well.
Sorry,
Put them in there.
with the cars.
What, the other two going to school?
What's the description of those guys?
I dropped my cuffs somewhere along.
I did too.
Good.
have one more going.
One outstanding still.
Can we put him in your car until Stoke gets here? Come on.
You got him?
Yeah.
Hey, Rick, I'm gonna grab the gun.
You're good.
Hey, go into the
You want
church.
this? You want this out of your car?
It don't matter. You guys are good right now.
Okay.
You're good.
Yeah, there was 3 with that group. What was the other guy wearing?
I think the other two went to the school.
All sides now. If you only see that guy on one
All right, so go in or stop. Everybody read you your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney if you cannot afford one. You will be provided. You understand?
So we don't have enough going.
All right.
There's 4. We have
Inside.
3.
There's 4 total. 1 went to the shoreway. 3 ran south down 48. Round 2 right now. Thanks, Bob.
Why are you running?
Cardiac project.
I lost the pair here.
He's on the other side of the shoreway.
14, we got 2 mail the team.
We're one house east of 4708 Clinton. To the
Why are
time
you
of
guys
back.
running then? If there's nothing to run for, why are you running?
I was coming.
Right? What are you got on you?
Nothing.
Get up, man. Where are your boys at?
Tell me.
Why are you running?
Because y'all was grabbing me. What the hell?
You ran before we got to you, man.
It don't matter what is y'all grabbing me for.
We're going to call up on the shoreway.
You got nothing on you?
Why can't y'all let me go? I ain't do shit.
No.
What I do?
Calm down. You just ran.
Be retained for what? You came up to me for no reason first.
Well, we would have told you
We would have
that if you
just
didn't
talked
run.
to you.
Why was y'all grabbing me though?
Y'all coming for us for no reason.
It's too hot out anyways. You got a goddamn winter jacket on. I don't know. I think I lost it. You got him?
I'm gonna go look back there. I got him, Rodriguez.
Okay.
Let me quote right
Feet
now.
in.
I'm on the other side.
I gotta find my camera.
Okay, where can we also detain 15?
I don't think so. She has him in her bag.
14, I'm on my way to him.
Adams are
Did they all come in different cars? Did they all come in different cars?
Yes, these are the ones that been. They were driving all crazy. Records on Detroit the last couple of days since last week. Almost hitting people and just driving. Cause it was this one and it was that one yesterday.